I am so sorry. My camera phone or my camera battery just died. So we're going to complete the lesson on my phone if that will work. We're going to try. All right.
If your phone works.
So Daisy went ahead and cut a square.
Okay.
So go ahead, cut your square out for me, Daisy. Make it big.
I know. Here?
Mm-hmm. Yep. And then cut.
Down.
And then cut this side flat.
And then cut. And cut.
Great job.
Now we have to lift this up and then this.
Right. Now, obviously, this would kind of depend on the level of your student. Exactly.
I normally like this.
Exactly where their understanding is. She's a little on the younger side, so I'm helping her through this a little bit more. My objective stated that I would hope to have had them do it with little to no teacher assistance. So that would be a way to differentiate too. That might vary from student to student. But I would use, since this is an individual time, I would use this time, or an individual activity, I would use this time to just kind of go from table to table or student to student and check up on them and see how they're doing with the assignment and see where they need help. And that's where you would inform your instruction. If the whole class or majority of the class is not understanding the concepts, then you may want to reteach certain things. So, all right, Daisy, go ahead. I want you to use some different shapes now and show me how you can make a square with your different shapes here. Okay, go ahead. Now, do you think that's going to be a little bit harder?
Yeah.
You think so? Why? What are you noticing when you put it on the corner?
Because what are we going to put here if there's a point, and here if there's a point?
You're right. Yes, it makes it a little bit harder, doesn't it? So what else can you think of?
Square.
Oh, smart. So you have a nice square edge.
And another square edge. Oh,
Good job. This is a little bit, yeah. And as we're doing this, I'm already noticing things that I'm going to be writing about in my reflection. I've noticed things like that the shapes should be more of a standard size. Here she's kind of in between sizes with being able to fit different shapes. So that's something that I would want to pre-plan, or maybe instead of using the Play-Doh, maybe we would use the pre-cut cards that I could make, and they could just be in the shape of pizza. Yeah, that would work. So they would be in the shape of pizza or whatnot. So that's those are the things that I'm noticing as we go through this lesson. And it's a busy house today.
This is called here?
Yeah, that's a good idea. So those are the things. I'm recording my video. Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much. I sure appreciate you watching our video. I'm going to go ahead and reflect on the things that I would change in my write-up here, but I think that about covers our lesson today. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.